Are you ready to elevate your style game? Today I'm sharing 5 free ways to transform your outfit. Have you ever stood in your closet feeling uninspired by the same old outfits? It's time to shake things up and elevate your style game without spending a dime. Today, we'll discover 5 game-changing techniques to transform your outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. Say goodbye to a limited budget holding you back from becoming a style icon. First up, we need to master the art of tucking. Tucking is not just about making your clothes fit better, it's about creating clean lines and a more streamlined silhouette. So whether you're going for a casual, relaxed look or a more tailored and sophisticated vibe, mastering the art of tucking is essential. When it comes to shirts, there are several ways to tuck them in for different effects. The classic front tuck involves tucking the front of your shirt into your bottoms while leaving the back loose. This creates a casual yet polished look and is perfect for showcasing a belt, one of my favorite things to do, or drawing attention to high-waisted pants or skirts. And we all know high-waisted pants are so in this year. For a more polished and sleek appearance, try the full tuck. This involves fully tucking your shirt into your bottoms. I mean, it's very old school. And how I always used to tuck my shirts in so I could showcase those belts. But we want to create a clean line from top to bottom. The full tuck works well with tailored pants and skirts, giving off a more professional and put together vibe. And as I said, it's very old school. If you're looking to show off your waist or add a little volume to your outfit, the half tuck is the way to go. This involves tucking in just a portion of your shirt, usually the front corner, while leaving the rest untucked. The half tuck is great for adding interest to oversized shirts or creating a relaxed yet stylish look. When it comes to sweaters, tucking can add structure and sophistication to your outfit. You can tuck the front of a loose sweater into your bottoms to create a chic and cozy look. This works especially well with high-waisted pants or skirts, giving you a defined waistline and a flattering silhouette. But don't forget about skirts and tucking. Tucking in your tops when wearing skirts can elongate your legs and create a more balanced look. Whether you opt for a fitted pencil skirt or a flowy maxi skirt, which are so big this year, tucking in your shirt can instantly elevate your outfit and make it look more intentional and put together. By mastering the art of tucking, you'll unlock endless possibilities for creating stylish and polished outfits. Experiment with different tucking techniques and see how they transform your wardrobe in minutes. So get ready to tuck, style, and confidently step out with outfits that will make a lasting impression. Next is create a style uniform or a style formula. When it comes to style, effortless chic is the name of the game, even on casual days. So it's important to know how to look effortlessly put together without sacrificing comfort. That's when a style uniform or style formula comes into play. Because getting ready in the morning should be as easy as 1, 2, 3. So whether you're running errands or meeting friends for brunch, here are some outfit formulas to help you achieve that daytime casual look. So I've done all the heavy lifting for you. And first up is a striped shirt plus jeans combo. It's a classic for a reason. Pair a Breton striped shirt with your favorite pair of jeans for an instant dose of chic. Add a pair of loafers or ballerina flats and you're good to go. Top it off with a leather jacket or a trench coat for those cooler days. And that will give you an edgy vibe. 2. The effortless dress. A simple flowy dress is a staple in any woman's wardrobe. Or it should be, because it's fun being a girl. Plus, they're one and done. Opt for a midi or maxi length and choose fabrics like linen or cotton for that relaxed vibe. Pair it with boots or sandals and you'll be ready to take on the day with ease. Next, the boyfriend blazer plus tailored pants. This is a yin and yang of fashion, balancing masculine and feminine elements in your outfit. Throw on a slightly oversized boyfriend blazer over a simple t-shirt and team it with tailored trousers. Complete the look with a pair of ankle boots or white sneakers for a touch of sporty elegance. Number 4, denim on denim. There's nothing easier to put together than denim on denim, or the Canadian tuxedo. Pair a denim shirt with high-waisted jeans for a double denim look that exudes effortlessness. Roll up the sleeves and add a statement belt for some added flair. Finish off with a pair of white sneakers for that oh-so-chic look. Next, we want to always take care of our skin. I love the fact that beauty and fashion are taught from mother to daughter at a very early age, or they should be. And I love talking about both with my daughters-in-law, just like my mom and I did for years. Taking care of your skin looks healthy, and you can wear less makeup. It's time for women of a certain age to embrace the beauty of aging, which I find refreshing. Women across the world covet glowing skin. Rosy cheeks and a pearlescent natural finish will give you a youthful glow. I don't care if you've neglected your skincare routine for years. It's never too late to start. A good skincare routine includes a few high-quality products, including cleanser, toner, eye cream, and moisturizer. And don't forget to get regular facials and exfoliate in between. Every year, right about this time, I release my skincare and makeup routines. I recently published a video, we'll have that linked up here, where I shared my everyday 2024 makeup routine. Although skincare is of utmost importance, I'm also a big believer in supplements. Today, I'm partnering with Purity Woods, the organic healthy aging company that not only carries amazing skincare products that I just mentioned earlier in the video, but they have recently launched an organic supplement line. Purity Woods was started by a husband and wife team that was on a mission to properly utilize nature's most powerful ingredients to combat the visual signs of aging. Recently, I added Purity Woods Organic B Complete into my daily routine. Why? Because vitamin B12 is a superstar when it comes to your heart and bone health and to achieving your healthiest, youngest looking skin, nails, and hair. Unlike many supplements that include synthetic forms of B12, Purity Woods is 100% plant-based and naturally fermented, making it even more bioavailable to your body. Did you know that over 40% of the population is low in vitamin B12 alone? So increasing its intake is crucial today as its levels decline even further with age. Not to worry, because Purity Woods included enough of it in a highly soluble form to make up 1,042% of your daily value in just one capsule. With a daily dose of Organic B Complete, I've noticed a difference in my energy level and mood. I have a very busy schedule, and I mean busy with a capital B. So it's important for me to roll out of bed in the morning ready to go. And you can too. Purity Woods is currently offering 17% off site-wide, but we have an additional 10% discount for our listeners for a total savings of 27%. So go to puritywoods.com/Beth or enter code Beth at checkout for an additional 10% off. Go to puritywoods.com/Beth and enter code Beth at checkout for an additional 10% off your first order. That's puritywoods.com, and we'll have everything linked down below as usual. And I'm telling you, I think you're going to like them. If you love supplements, or maybe if you're curious about them, this is a one to try. And if you've made it this far in the video, you might as well go ahead and hit the subscription box down below. Give me a like, share it, and leave a comment. It so helps the channel grow. So my next style tip to elevate your outfit is roll with it. Sometimes button downs can look stuffy, but if you roll the sleeves, they immediately look relaxed and effortless. Don't forget to roll the sleeves to your blazers or jackets over your blouse. It adds visual interest, and you can show off your jewelry. Simply roll up your sleeves like the men in our lives. They look terrific when they follow this style rule. I mean, I just love a man with a button-up and rolled-up sleeves. But J. Crew is known for its sleeve rolling technique, which consists of a few easy steps, and I'll take you through one by one. 1. Unbutton the entire sleeve and fold halfway up your arm so the cuff is around your elbow. I like mine a little higher in the summer so it fits almost as a short sleeve shirt. 2. Roll the bottom of the sleeve up twice so it covers the seam of the cuff. And 3. Gently pull the corner of the cuff out a bit and scrunch the entire sleeve up above the elbow. And my next style tip is Go monochrome for instant chic. I know, I've shared this style hack many times. But if you want instant chic without spending a dime, go monochrome. By embracing a cohesive color palette, you can effortlessly create a sophisticated and put together look. When it comes to fashion, the power of monochrome styling should not be underestimated. Whether you opt for an all-black ensemble, a head-to-toe white outfit, or any other single color that you love, going monochrome is a foolproof way to make a statement. By sticking to one hue, you can create an instantly cohesive look that exudes elegance and confidence. The beauty of going monochrome is its versatility. Not only does it work for any occasion, from a day at the office to a night out with friends, but it also allows you to experiment with different textures and silhouettes within your chosen color. By playing with different shades, patterns, and fabric finishes, you can add depth and visual interest to your outfit while still maintaining a sleek and polished appearance. One of the key benefits of going monochrome is that it instantly elongates and flatters your silhouette. By wearing the same color from head to toe, you create a visually seamless line that makes you appear taller and slimmer. And who doesn't want that? This is especially true when you choose a darker shade, as it has a slimming effect. So if you're looking to create the illusion of a long and leaner figure, opting for a monochrome outfit is the way to go. And a big thank you to Purity Woods for this sponsored video. And thank you, my lovely viewers, for supporting the brands that allow me to bring you fresh ideas. Well, I hope you take away at least one idea to transform your outfit. Of course, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.